usually silent, but in a race I would have my CGM, but I don't have the phone, so it's not audible. I have my receiver, but I prefer that it's not loud, you know, I prefer a silent alarm. Because I've had diabetes for so long, you know, I was diagnosed nearly 25 years ago, so for me it's something that I do recognize when my sugars are going low. Sometimes that I don't, but on the occasion I'm always on top of it anyway. I'm monitoring it beforehand. I don't wait for a reaction. I'm proactive with all my diabetes management, with cycling, with everything. I prefer to be a proactive person. Ah, man, if you want to go pro, absolutely give everything you have. You know, we have one chance to do this. No matter what you want to do, strive to be the best person you can be and dream. You know, like as a Team Novo Nordisk, providing hope is the most powerful thing you can do. I hope that with what I do, what my teammates do, I mean, I hope that I can provide a smile, inspiration, you know, motivation to everybody around the world affected by diabetes. My advice would just be to give everything you have in every single moment, because we only get to do this once.